For supper this evening, I'm doing dirty rice. And all I need for this recipe is a pound of the bulk breakfast sausage, ground sausage. And I'm going to brown it off over here in my little Dutch oven. It's the country sausage. And we're going to use 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of chicken broth. And 1 cup of chopped onion and a 1/2 cup each of bell pepper and celery. And to that we're going to add a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of paprika. And then salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. That's all it takes. So I'm browning the sausage, and the sausage is almost brown, so I'm going to go ahead and add the onion, the celery, and the bell pepper, and let them be cooking along with the sausage. It'll only take 2 to 3 minutes for the vegetables to soften. So this is what it looks like while it's cooking. So if this meat were very fatty, I would drain off some of the fat that's cooking out of it. But there's very little in there, so I'm going to just leave it. So when the sausage is done and the vegetables are tender, they're becoming transparent, I'm going to add the 2 cups of rice. And stir it up a bit. I'm going to add in my teaspoon of cumin, and my teaspoon of paprika, now I'm going to add the 4 cups of chicken broth. And stir that up good. And I'm going to let it come back to a boil. And put the lid on it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. It's almost back to a boil, and I've just tasted, and I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Alright, so our dirty rice is back to a boil, and I'm going to put the lid on the pot and reduce the heat. And set my timer for 20 minutes. Alright, the alarm just went off, and it looks like our nice big pot of dirty rice is done. And it looks amazing. here we go. How's that for a meal? It's very hot. Really good. It's a little spicy too.